Hi, and welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. And don't forget, the full transcript for each video can be found in the description below on YouTube. So sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Today's word, Paki, P-A-K-I, Paki. The etymology, complicated this one. Before we get into the word itself, we have to understand a little bit of history. India was, for many years, a colony of the British Empire. Indeed, India was fought over by the Dutch, the French, the Portuguese, and others since as far back as the 16th century in the Spice Wars. But by the middle of the 19th century, it had become a de facto British colony. For nearly 100 years, the British ruled the land, but following the rebellion and resistance of the Indian people, led most notably by Mahatma Gandhi, Britain withdrew. At this point, territorial, ethnic and religious lines were drawn, and India was effectively divided into two in an event called the Partition in 1947. This created a new nation known as Pakistan, which exists to this day. So, a new nation is born, therefore a new nationality, Pakistanis. During the 50s and 60s, in particular, there was a mass influx of people from both Pakistan and India into Britain as the former colonial power. Some people were unhappy about this, and so a new insult was born, Paki. Note, this word is used primarily in the UK, but is also known in Canada and Australia, but in America, it is quite obscure. Disclaimer, this is a word I personally would never, ever use. It is used only as a pejorative and is deeply unpleasant. That being said, the word exists, so I have to talk about it. I hope you understand, and trust me, there are worse words to come. All right, let's go. Word types of Paki. A noun. Just that. Note, it is always written with a capital letter, as it is an abbreviation for the name of a country. Okay, usage one. As a noun, a pejorative, derogatory word for somebody from the Indian subcontinent or who looks like they may be from the Indian subcontinent. Iranians, Saudi Arabians, and even people from Southeast Asia are attacked and insulted using this word on occasion. Example one. I was driving home today and a stupid Paki almost hit my car. Example two. I worry about immigration. I think there are too many Pakis in England. So, a deeply offensive term for somebody from or appearing to be from the Indian subcontinent. And let me be very clear, even saying these words makes me very uncomfortable, but it has to be done. Usage two, as a compound noun, Paki shop, a shop run by Asian people, usually in a socio-economically deprived area that opens during antisocial hours for the convenience of the local community. A convenience or grocery store would be synonymous. A corner shop works too. Example one. I'm popping to the Paki shop to buy some cigarettes. Example two. I want some paprika. I bet the Paki shop will have that. So, a reductive, pejorative term for a small local shop run by Asian people. Usage 3, as an expression, Paki bashing, to physically assault and beat somebody because they are a Paki. Example 1, I went Paki bashing last night. It was great. Example 2, incidents of Paki bashing in Leicester are on the increase since the latest terrorist attack. So, to physically beat somebody based on their perceived ethnicity as being from the Indian subcontinent. I'm glad that's over. I hated that. I think it is my least favourite word in the English language, but it was necessary to explain. On a positive note, to end this on, some people are now trying to reclaim the word in the same way as other controversial words have been reclaimed. Let's hope they succeed. Enough. Shudder. I hate that word. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss a single video.